Hi, welcome to Destiny Vlogs. We're going to go ahead and get right into the video. If you're an OG, welcome the fuck back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I'm happy to have you here.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
So here's the thing, you're busy, you want to lose weight. I don't know what your reasons are. Maybe they're health reasons. Maybe it's because you want to like look better. Maybe it's because you want to feel better. Maybe it's because you're ready for like a glow up. Maybe it's because you gained weight over COVID, you got pregnant, you got in a relationship, you got to get the happy weight off. Whatever the reason is, I'm going to give you my 10 tips that I think are the best to help you lose weight. I'm going to do a separate video. It's going to be a part 2, but it's going to go more in depth of food, drinks, recipes. So let's go ahead and get into the 10 tips. Number 1, you need to make a workout schedule. So it's not to say you need to work out 7 days a week because that's really unrealistic. It's not to say that you need to work out 5 times a week because that's really unrealistic. But I do think at least 3 minimum. And if I'm talking about 3 minimum, I'm saying strength training those 3 days. And then every other day for the week, just walk at least like a mile or something like that. But you need to be constantly moving your body. It's not to say that you need to work out hard every single day of the week. If you want to go crazy, go crazy. But you do need to be strength training, you need to get on that Stairmaster, and you need to be walking, especially after you eat. It's good to walk after you eat. It helps with like digestion. It makes you feel better. You won't feel bloated. You know, it's really good for you. So that's my step number 1. If you need help with that, let me know, and I'll put some workout schedule stuff down below as far as what I have followed, or like workout plans. We can do videos on that. Let me know, whatever. I'm open book. Because I'm still learning. I'm not a pro. No, I don't have a personal trainer. I lost weight on my own. I didn't have a dietitian. Nothing. I use TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Yeah, and I started at 263. This was me at 263 last year, and then now currently I'm at 224. So this is me. But yeah, and I'll put the dates different so you can see how much time it took. It's not a fast process. You didn't gain it in 2 days. Step number 2, meal prep. I'm telling you, it's going to help you so much. Here's where it's going to help you. You're going to save money because food is expensive. Chipotle has increased in price. Okay, one bowl is $10, $11. And I love guac. Sometimes I want the chips and queso. So we're talking more money. Okay. You really don't need to be eating out that much anyway because you're dropping weight. You know what I'm saying? And you're busy. So you really don't have time to be stopping to eat nowhere. So meal prep is also going to be your best friend. Not only because you're trying to lose weight, but because you're busy. Make that click. It's okay to sacrifice 1 to 2 hours a day, 1 to 2 hours a week to meal prep for your entire week. So you don't have to do anything for 7 days. Think about that. Think about that. 5 days, 3 days, however you want to do it. I know some people are funny. They don't like to eat chicken, the same chicken after 3 days, whatever. However you need to do it, meal prep is your best friend. Okay? The best app I can give you for meal prep is Lemonade. The Lemonade app. I'll put a little icon here so that you can see it. But it's a Lemonade app. I love it. I cherish it. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Meal prep. You need to make a category on there. You need to make an account on Lemonade. Make a category on there. Meal prep. Recipes. Healthy snacks. Healthy desserts. Healthy drinks. Supplement. Go on there. It's free. Number 3, follow inspirational people. So try to find somebody that has your body type or that may look like you or that has the goals that you think that you want. Like you want to tone. You may want, very defined arms, a very nice back. Find that person, find 2, 3 people, and you need to follow them. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever social medias that they're on, then you need to follow them. Follow them. Try some of their workouts. Maybe get some tips on eating. Maybe get some tips on recipes, protein shakes, supplements, workout schedules, workout plans, meal plans. I don't know. They drop gems all the time and it's free, my love. Tap in. Tap in. You need to have somebody inspirational to look to. You need to go on social media and be reminded, oh yeah, maybe I shouldn't go have 6 donuts because that's the goals. So you need to open your app and that comes up. It helps, trust me. Surround yourself with workout content and eating right and calorie counting and all that. Yeah, pick you some inspo people. I have a couple of inspo people. I'll put their names on the screen, their ads and stuff like that. But yeah, pick you some inspo people. Drink water. You need to be drinking a ton. And here I am. I have water. Don't try to focus on a gallon a day, whatever. Just drink the water. When you're hungry sometimes, before you eat, drink water. After you work out, before you work out, drink water. It's going to keep you from overeating. It's going to keep you hydrated. Water helps you lose weight. if you want, I'll also name the benefits of water. I'll just put them right here. Just drink your water. Tip number 5, track. Track everything. This is what I mean by track everything. Track your weight. You can take pictures of the scale to track your weight. You can do it in the notes app. Let me show you. And then I just log my weight. And you know, don't go crazy with the tracking your weight thing. Just do it once every like week or 2 weeks. But like, don't get into the habit, because I know sometimes when you first lose weight, you're like, oh my god. Don't do that, because sometimes you just don't lose weight that week. You know what I'm saying? So don't stress yourself out. But also that falls under track, because I'm putting so many things in one. Progress pics, you need to be taking those. Progress videos, you need to be taking those. I know right now you feel that you don't want to see pictures of yourself. I know right now you may not like yourself in the leggings that you have on or whatever the case may be. Show yourself, because I'm telling you, a difference of 3 weeks is crazy. Do it. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for future goal weight you. So if your goal is 200 pounds and you're 260 pounds right now, at 260 you need to be flicking it up. Flicking it up to pictures, videos, how your butt looks, how your arms look, how your thighs look. Look it up. Look it up. Because when you reach 200, you're literally going to think yourself to see the progress. It's crazy. It's really crazy. So that's another thing that you need to track. Calorie counting, I think, for me personally, I don't track calories. Now when I first started trying to lose weight last year, when I first started 75 hard, I did track my calories. But now I don't, because I kind of just eat when I'm hungry. But I think first starting out, you should track your calories, just to kind of see an idea of like what things you like to eat, how many calories they are, to kind of get it in your head. I think it's also good because you need to be tracking your protein intake, which will be a whole separate video if you guys want me to get into that. I haven't really been very serious with that as far as tracking my protein, but I make sure to have things in my house that are full of protein. So yeah, but I think just starting out, track your calories as best as you can. But if you're doing a lot of, I think that's only too if you're eating out a lot. If you eat out a lot, track your calories. But if you're not eating out and you're doing meal prep, it's going to be a little difficult to track your calories, just because like some recipes on Lemonade, they'll say this has this many grams of protein, and they will give you calories sometimes per serving, so you can do it like that. But I wouldn't really stress yourself out about tracking calories after the first like month, because you'll kind of get it down as far as like what you need to be eating, how many calories this is. You'll kind of just do it in your head at that point. Set a time frame of when you want to lose weight. Don't make a small time frame of a month. That's insane, my love. That's insane. You gain the weight over years, months. A month is insane. Be realistic, okay? Set a time frame and track the time frame. So for me, I'm starting July 1st to the end of the year. That's 6 months. Just track all of that shit. Track your workout. Next one, limit alcohol. So with this, it's not contributing to your weight loss, my love. So I think maybe for the first like 2 months, 1 month, limit the alcohol. Just kind of cut it out. And then if you do consume alcohol, then let it be like shots, straight shots, or sugar-free mix-ins or something. Don't sit there and drink pineapple juice with Malibu rum and syrups. That's sugar. It turns into fat. Get sleep. This is a very hard one for me, but try to get like 7, 8. 6.5 is crazy. I don't know how it helps. I'll put it on the screen. I'm gonna research it. But like, you need to be sleeping. Get your sleep in. You're working out and shit. Like, get your sleep in. Is prioritize protein, water, greens, and fruits. So this is like the food part. You really need to be eating clean. Like, and it's not to say you can't have potatoes. It's not to say you can't have bread or things like that. But most of your meals, try to make them like a protein and a veggie. And then the small part is the potatoes, like the less part of the plate. You know what I mean? So it needs to be like protein, veggie, same size. Then your like starch or your whatever, it needs to be like small. Don't go crazy, you know, with it. Also too, you know, bread, potatoes, things like that, it turns into yeast. It's for my girls that work out. It's hot outside. I sweat. I live in Florida. Don't like overconsume on stuff like that. I think just try to stay with the healthy stuff. You can have pasta though. Get you some protein pasta, man. This is not to say throw the stuff out, but like find better alternatives for it. You want waffles? Get you the Kodiak protein waffles. We can do a whole separate video on this. Just let me know. I love talking about this stuff now, because it took me so long to lose weight. So now that I really got it, and when you really get it, my love, can't nobody fuck with you. I'm telling you. Okay, next one. Invest in workout clothes, shoes, bag, whatever is gonna make you happy to go work out. Whatever's gonna motivate you to go work out. You need some Hocus, go get them. I got me some. They're busted now, but I got them when I first started 75 Hard because I wanted something that was really gonna push me to get up, walk, jog, do something. I needed new shoes. I felt like I needed it. Go get it. Go get it. Put it on Quad. Put it on Afterpay. Do what you need to do. Get you some clothes. Good workout clothes that are not expensive are Shein. That's the workout clothes I have right now. As I start working out more and really get into my gym girl era, which I'm getting back into it, I do want to kind of invest more in like Alphalete or Gymshark is nice. I have a couple of things from them, or I sent some stuff back, so I don't really think I have much from them. Maybe a pair of leggings, Lululemon, but they have like controversial stuff. I don't know. I want to invest in more workout clothes, but my advice to you is get you some workout clothes. Invest in cute stuff, sports bras, tops, leggings, shorts, socks, the backpack, your workout backpack that has your stuff in it. Cute. Oh, the little wolf backpack for working out. Love it. I want one. They're expensive. Find your alternative. But I'm saying like invest in your workout journey and your fitness journey so that it motivates you. You want to look cute when you're working out, and also too to help you see that when you buy clothes at your bigger size, how I did when I bought Shein's clothes last year, now they fit loose. And it's insane. It's like, whoa. So, invest in yourself. Please. Last tip, this is number 10. Do not be hard on yourself. Do not be hard on yourself. You're busy. You're not always going to eat the healthiest. You're going to slip up and eat something. Whatever. You know what I'm saying? I have Nutter Butters right here. I'm going to work out later. I'm not going to sit here and make myself feel bad about it. I see the serving size is 10 cookies. It's 140 calories. So you count out 10 cookies. Eat 15. If you miss a workout 1 week, oh well. Keep going. Keep trying. And let me know what other videos you guys want. These things are so good. I have water too to wash it down and then pairing it with this. My husband bought this. I don't really like it. It has an aftertaste. Follow my tips. Let me know what content you want to see. I will create the content. I will. I'll see you guys later. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Peace.
TT, two-turn baby.